Okay, welcome to Monthly Data Checking Part 2. I wanted to show how I got the link to Deb's spreadsheet. What we're actually linking to is to the file in her drive. She uploaded it to her, whoops, I don't want my email. She uploaded it to her own drive. So, and I'm going to show you why. When I go to my drive or to shared with me, either one, this is a little bit slow. It can get very overwhelming very quickly with the number of files and folders. My drive is the things that I put there and shared with me, or the things that other people shared with me to look at. And people have different versions of the same thing. They can see multiple versions here, and it gets really confusing. I mean, there are dates and things, but it's not always the most recent one that is the good one, etc. So it's just, I think, a lot easier to work with versions, which is something else we can take a look at. But anyway, instead of doing that and me trying to link what's in my shared drive to the page, it's better to have teachers who are the ones making the edits put it in their drive, and that way all we have to do is click on the link and we should be looking at the most current version. So it's really important, as I said in the first video, that people realize they're only viewing from here. They need to go to their own drive to make the edits. People could get really frustrated if they think they're fixing something, updating something, and it turns out they aren't. So anyway, how did this get here? Just quickly, Deb sent me an invitation. Actually, she sent me an invitation to edit. And so I just went in and opened her version, and then I copied the link. And I am using tinyURL. So I went to add a link and paste it in there. When you do that with tinyURL installed, it automatically shortens it, which is really nice. And then I called it Deb ESL4. And I did the same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and add it so you can see, just so there's no confusion. When it first comes up, it comes up as undefined. And eventually that went away, and I actually did get what I named it here. So, and really that's it. Once I reload and everything, it will do what it's supposed to do. But I'm not going to keep two versions of it, so I went ahead and deleted it. So you can see how easy it is to add, move, and delete things. And then the other thing I suggested was subscribe to changes, because then when somebody's making a change here, you'll have a note that somebody's doing something. But you don't really need to do that, because we're going to set up procedures that the teachers are going to let you know when they make changes. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm going to stop presenting and stop recording.